Hello viewers, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. I am Shamala and today I am making pyaz ki curry with egg cakes. We usually make this curry often. My dadima used to make this curry. This is my all-time favorite. I just wanted to share with you guys. Curry can be made in several forms and today I have made it in my dadima style. Pyaz ki curry is just a curry, but to make it even more delicious, we add egg cakes into it, which makes us eat the curry quite easily with rice or roti. Before I start this video, I request you all to watch this video till it ends. First step is to grind the ingredients to make pyaz ki curry. In a jar, add 3 roughly chopped onion, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin and fenugreek powder. Goes in some water. Now blend it nicely and set aside. Now blend 4 roughly chopped tomatoes and set this aside. Soak 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal for 10 minutes. Now let's make pyaz ki curry. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, some fresh curry leaves, 2 green chilies. Goes in onion paste. Fry this for 10 minutes on medium-high heat till it changes the color. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Give this a nice mix and roast these masalas for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add tomato paste. Mix this nicely. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Add the leftover water of tomato and onion paste. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes. And now it's time to add 3 tablespoons coconut paste. Add 1 cup of tamarind pulp. Mix it nicely. And now add some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And I'm going to close the lid and slow cook for 15 minutes till oil separates. Till then we start making the egg cakes. Blend 1 onion with soaked urad dal. Blend it nicely and set this aside. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. Goes in half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Give this a nice mix. And now I'm going to add the onion mix. Goes in 1/4 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix this nicely and keep this aside. Now drizzle few drops of oil, grease it nicely. Pour the egg batter on hot tawa. Spread it evenly. And I'm going to cook this on medium-high heat for 1 minute. And then slow cook for 3 more minutes. Once done, fold it gently as directed. Now cut into pieces and set this aside. And now you can see pyaz ki curry is almost done. Now switch off the flame, mix it nicely, transfer this in a serving bowl. Once done, drop the egg cakes in it, leave it for 5 minutes and then serve hot with rice or roti. And it tastes super delicious, especially with rice. A recipe she has been making for ages and loved by all of us. So guys, give this a try and let us know how it turned out for you. And follow our Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.